Plotting results of Pandas GroupBy. I'm starting to learn pandas and am trying to find the most Pythonic or pandathonic ways to do certain tasks. Suppose we have a data frame with columns A, B, and C. Column A contains Boolean values. Each row's value is either true or false. Column B has some important values we want to plot. What we want to discover is the subtle distinctions between B values for rows that have a set to false versus B values for rows that have a is true. In other words, how can I group by the value of column A either true or false, then plot the values of column B for both groups on the same graph? The two datasets should be colored differently to be able to distinguish the points. Next, let's add another feature to this program. Before graphing, we want to compute another value for each row and store it in column D. This value is the mean of all data stored in B for the entire 5 minutes before a record, but we only include rows that have the same Boolean value stored in A. In other words, if I have a row where A equals true and time equals T, I want to compute a value for column D that is the mean of B for all records from time T5 to T that have the same A equals true. In this case, how can we execute the group B on values of A, then apply this computation to each individual group, and finally plot the D values for the two groups?
I think I've hit all the high points. I'll just flesh out the details.
Was überhaupt noch Puzzlein sein?